Good afternoon and welcome back to the next segment of Cooking with Chef Cecil and Chef Chris. We're here today. Showed you how to handle ground beef and turn them into some nice sized burgers that we're going to cook in a little bit. So next segment we want to talk about chicken wings. Now, a lot of people have seen in the store where you get the little party wings. But do you know where a party wing comes from? They come from the chicken, but they're not grown like that. What they actually are is a whole chicken, a full chicken. Let me get up close and personal. A whole chicken wing, as you can see. Okay, and then they cut them down to make them into party wings. Now I have a very sharp meat cleaver. Now there's a trick to cutting chicken wings to make it either difficult or make it easy. Right here in the wing is what is a joint. It's a section just like in where your forearm and your upper arm meet. It's got like a gristle elbow there. So what you want to do is you want to take a sharp knife or a meat cleaver. And what first thing I always do is I open the wing up like this where the skin is, the flap, so that I can see where that joint is. Can you see that? You get that joint right, 2 little chops, and you got yourself 2 pieces. Now, a lot of places when they sell party wings, you get 3 pieces. Just like this. I don't know if you can see that. You get 3 sections of the wing. See? The next thing that we do is after we cut up a couple of them, let me show you again. We find that joint right there. Boom. Like I said, if you have a sharp knife and you know where to get that joint, it's very easy. And that's I missed that one, so I got to chop a little bit. All right, now these are 5 pounds of chicken wings that I bought this morning. Fresh chicken wings. And these chicken wings, once they're seasoned and cooked, trust me, people will be coming over your house looking for them. Every now and then you miss it. You got a sharp knife, you ain't got to worry about it. Ain't trying to be pretty. Just trying to be accurate. Because when you're cooking for a lot of people, you don't have a lot of time. Somebody orders some chicken wings and I'm in a restaurant. The last thing they want, me back there doing is playing with these chicken wings. So you see how I'm cutting it with this meat cleaver. Now if I put my finger there, because I'm not paying attention, what do you think's going to happen? I'm going to lose my finger. That's why you got to make sure that your hands are out of the way. Make sure you have a sharp knife, and you can go through 5 pounds of chicken wings in hardly any time at all. All right, these are just about finished. The last couple ones I'm not going to worry about right now. I just wanted to make sure you understand the safety behind this and how easy it is. Now we got all these little wingettes that I just cut up, that you watch me cut up. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to season the wings. I'm going to ask Chef Chris to come give me a hand because from a safety standpoint, cross-contamination standpoint, with this chicken water on my hands, if I were to touch this bottles of seasoning and I'm not careful, I could actually pick up that bottle later and cross-contaminate the seasoning or whatever else I touch that bottle with. It's like with this coronavirus, we got to stay 6 feet apart and be very careful with that. So, Chef, if you could put, let's see, for those wings, I would say about a tablespoon of each one of those seasonings in that measuring cup.
Okay.
We'll start there.
So again, we're using just a regular kitchen tablespoon, and we're gonna take tablespoon. Again, your job is to fill the tablespoon as much as possible. You can sprinkle it right over the top. That's one. The good thing about seasonings is that you don't really have to worry about cross contamination with dry seasonings. They all kind of come from the same area. That doesn't make sense, but we're just gonna keep going.
A little chunky, isn't it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. So we added a total of 4 tablespoons of seasoning into 5 pounds of chicken. And again, you notice how Chef Cecil asked me to come in and support him by just make sure the kitchen safety guidelines that we follow for ServSafe and some of the other national governing bodies are covered. So now Chef Cecil is going to clean up his area with the chicken and the cleaver. The chicken wings are already seasoned. Once he goes and clean up, we'll go and season the chicken. Next time you guys see us, we'll be cooking. Thank you.